Slow English travel conversations. Follow Sarah's day from taxi to airport, hotel, dinner, and all the way to bedtime. Excuse me? Are you free?
Yes, where would you like to go?
To the airport, please.
Sure, which terminal?
Terminal 2.
Got it. Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase.
Perfect. Please hop in. What time is your flight?
At 10:30 a.m., I still have about 2 hours.
That's good. You'll arrive on time.
Thanks. How long will it take to get there?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that should be fine.
Here we are, Terminal 2.
Great! Thank you. How much is the fare?
It's $25.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Goodbye. Good morning. I'd like to check in, please.
Of course. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale.
Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Sure. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, and any liquids as well.
Okay. Here they are.
Thank you. You may step through the scanner. Good morning. May I see your passport?
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your trip?
Vacation.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
All right, enjoy your trip.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 14A by the window.
Great. Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, some water, please.
Of course. Anything to eat?
No, thank you. Just a water is fine.
Here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks a lot. Challenge yourself today. Leave a comment in English, hit like, and subscribe to practice more together.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes. I booked a room under the name Sarah Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, we have your booking for 3 nights. May I have your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your room key, room 305. The elevator is to your right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Hello again.
Hello, how can I help you?
Could you please tell me the Wi-Fi password?
Sure, it's written on your room card.
Oh, I see. Thank you. And where is the hotel restaurant?
It's on the first floor, next to the lobby. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your evening. Good evening. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. Do you have pizza?
Yes, we have margarita, pepperoni, and vegetarian pizza.
I'll take a margarita pizza, please.
Would you like a small or large?
A small one, please.
And to drink?
Just a cola, thank you.
Great. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Here is your margarita, pizza, and cola. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, just a moment. Here is your receipt. Thank you for dining with us.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN. Here is your bill. It's $18.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye. What a long day. The flight, the taxi, the hotel, and the restaurant. But everything went smoothly. I'm glad I arrived safely. Now it's time to rest. Tomorrow will be another adventure.